Today, we're taking a look at the AEMC Model 6683 Cable Verification and Tracing Analyzer. Whether you're working in residential or lower voltage sections of commercial or industrial environments, the 6683 is built to help trace hidden cables, pinpoint faults, and verify circuits quickly and reliably. The 6683 combines a powerful transmitter with a sensitive receiver, giving you the ability to trace conductors, find breaks, identify breakers, and even trace buried lines, all with accuracy that reduces unnecessary dismantling and saves time on every job. Let's take a closer look at some of the key highlights, functions, and advantages that come with the new 6683. The 6683 is a portable two-part system with a battery-powered transmitter and receiver. Both units feature large, backlit LCD screens for clear readings in any environment. At its core, the 6683 lets you search for and detect ungrounded electrical conductors, trace data in power cables, identify sockets and fuses, and find faults in cables with accuracy and speed. The receiver includes a built-in flashlight for dark environments, and on AC-powered circuits, the receiver will detect and display the voltage level. The transmitter injects 125 kHz alternating signal into the wire or conductive element it's connected to. While AEMC recommends performing cable tracing in a de-energized installation, the Model 6683's transmitter can be connected between a phase conductor and neutral, allowing it to inject a tracing signal on live circuits when an outage isn't possible. Transmitter allows you to select from 7 digital identification codes to allow for multiple transmitters to be used simultaneously, while you can adjust the signal transmission power. These codes also make it easy to identify which cable end belongs to which run, even in crowded bundles or patch panels. On the receiver, you can work in automatic mode for fast identification or switch to manual for finer sensitivity control. An audible tone and digital bar graph guide you as you trace, with the option to mute the tone when needed. The 6683 is designed for safe operation in dynamic environments. It's IEC standard compliant and rated to Cat 3 300 volt areas. When the transmitter is connected to a circuit with 12 volts or more, it automatically displays the detected voltage level to help ensure operator safety. If the voltage is considered potentially hazardous, a warning triangle appears on the screen. To conserve power, the receiver includes an automatic shutoff after 15 minutes of inactivity, while both units dim their backlighting to save battery life. Let's take a look at some of the ways the Model 6683 can be used in the field. In grounded unipolar mode, the 6683 can detect breaks in conductors hidden in walls or floors, and trace cables, sockets, junction boxes, and switches back to the breaker. When the receiver passes over a break, the intensity of the signal drops and eventually disappears completely, letting you know to stop right at the problem spot. For jobs that require multiple cables to be identified, multiple receivers can be set to different codes, allowing for fast identification on data cable bundles or while multiple branch circuits may be ran together. It's also effective in specialty cases, like detecting faults in an underfloor heating system that isn't shielded, and can trace conductive metal water supply or heating pipes. In bipolar mode, the analyzer helps you trace wiring, locate outlets, switches, and breakers, and check for short circuits where a ground isn't available, or on multi-conductor cables. The Model 6683 offers detection depth up to about 1.5 feet in bipolar mode to about 6 feet in grounded unipolar mode. For line voltage identification, the receiver can sense an electric field from about 1 foot away, with depth always depending on the material and application. It can identify fuses in a breaker box and even verify power supply lines on the same floor of a building. The Model 6683 Cable Verification and Tracing Analyzer is designed first and foremost for electricians and maintenance teams, the people who need to trace, verify, and troubleshoot circuits quickly and reliably. It's also a practical tool for installers and service technicians in home tech and agriculture, anyone who works with buried lines, hidden cables, or complex circuits. It's equally effective in verifying circuit continuity and connection points for rack equipment, and makes it easy to identify and verify energized or de-energized cables in office and data center environments. If your task involves finding the right line, identifying faults, or minimizing costly trial and error, the 6683 was built to streamline your workflow. The Model 6683 is delivered as a complete kit, with all the essential accessories packed in a soft carrying case. Inside, you'll find the 6683 transmitter and receiver, both powered by batteries and equipped with large backlit LCD displays. You get a set of two 5-foot silicone safety leads, color-coded red and black, with 4mm straight and right angle banana plugs. A pair of safety alligator clips are included for secure clamping to conductors. For direct connection to wall outlets, you'll find a 110-volt outlet adapter fitted with banana plug terminals. The kit comes with a mini ground rod, which is designed for use with the Model 6683. An E14 bulb socket adapter is also provided for convenient connection when working with lighting circuits. You'll also receive 2 full sets of AAA batteries, a user manual, and a safety sheet. All of it organized in a durable, soft carrying case ready for field use right away. The 6683 focuses on fast, reliable verification and tracing, ideal for troubleshooting and day-to-day maintenance. AEMC Model 6683 Cable Verification and Tracing Analyzer brings together versatility, accuracy, and safety, helping you locate hidden conductors, identify outlets, trace buried lines, and pinpoint shorts or breaks with confidence and precision. It's a durable, portable, and intuitive solution for faster troubleshooting and reduced repair costs. To learn more, visit AEMC.com or reach out to our tech support team. Check out our YouTube channel for more helpful videos on our trusted test equipment, and stay up to date with the latest tips and product releases from AEMC Instruments.